Hi, welcome to Quinn's RC once again. I was working on a video for the fairrc Stinger system for the CR18P Evo, and I was having trouble with my rock van. I've got a little body pin through here so you can see the rotation. See the pin rotating. Now if I apply a little pressure on here, you will see that stop spinning. The problem is that inside here, the gears are not tight enough together, so it's letting a gear move. Let me take that apart and I'll explain what I mean. Okay, I've got the portal cover off. Now, watch here. You can see it's not spinning. And the problem is that the portal is allowing this gear to move up just a little bit so that it's not spinning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tiny shim. This is 0.05 millimeters, very thin. And you should start with the thinnest ones you've got. The kit I have has 0.05, 0.1, and 0.2. So I'm going to start with this. I'm just going to put that over top. So what that's going to do is when these portal covers are tightened down, it's going to push on that little bushing in there, and it's going to keep this gear set down onto the pin that it rides on. Now you can see there's a little bit of play, so like I said, 4 millimeters is probably not the right one for this, but that's what I have. So I'm going to put the portal cover back on. I put 1.05 millimeter shim on that top gear in the portal, and you can see that body pin spinning. Now if I give it a pinch, it does not. I'm squeezing as hard as I can. No more skipping. As easy as that. Trial and error. Once I got the wheel hex on with the 0.05 millimeter shim, it skipped again. So I opened it back up. I put the 0.1 millimeter shim in, so basically doubling the size of the shim. And now when I hold the hex, it won't skip. It actually, I don't want to break the drive line, but it will not skip now. Hope that helps. See you next time.